Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Another way to tell if you've had a power outage is by checking any motion sensor lights you might have. Very often when the power comes back, it flickers for a moment and tricks the motion sensors into turning on and staying on.
Let's help you make your mark.
Causes. Generally, the power goes out for two reasons: a circuit breaker or fuse is tripped in your home, or the power lines themselves are affected. As a rule, if your electrical system in your home is generally sturdy and the power goes out during a storm, it's probably due to an outside influence.
Let's help you make your mark.
Call an electrician as soon as possible to get your power up and running. Check the circuit breakers. Check in with neighbors. Call the power company. Stay warm. Preserve food. Food preparation. Unplug major appliances. Don't be glued to your home.
Let's help you make your mark.
Most major electricity retailers can set up your connection within just 3 business days. See below if you need your connection sooner. If the house is already connected and you just need to transfer your electricity account to the premise, this can usually be done in 1 day.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.